You know, it's true, the world of the online business has come of age. It's no secret that a growing number of people around the world of all ages and from so many different backgrounds are now earning a secure living online simply through developing personal income streams using the internet, or that it's changing their way of life. And now we've all been given a reset button. Let's be realistic here. When we start out in life, most of us have so many dreams, the things we're going to do. And yet before long, for many people, the focus turns towards coping with the knocks and setbacks that life brings. But here's the thing. While some might sit back and accept the fate that society dealt them, there are many more that know there's more out there, and they're using their reset button to find more security in life. If you're looking for a better way this year that works for you, then continue to watch as I'm going to share how you can create your own online income and with it a way of life to match. Look, if you're content with your lot, then this video simply isn't for you, just skip on by. But if you are interested and want that better way of life, then don't you owe it to yourself to at least find out how to get it. A way that allows independence, whether that's financial or something else, and when you achieve success, never have to feel that way again. So, you know, it's true, the world of the online business has come of age, but first ask yourself, what are you going to do with your reset button? And let's be clear here, if all you want to do is to make some quick money without investing in yourself, then this video series really isn't for you. Life just doesn't work that way. You get out of life what you put into it. Now, if all that sounds interesting and you're looking to change, if you're someone prepared to learn new skills and prepared to take action, if you're prepared to do that, then everything can change for you as well. It's now a fact that whether you just want an additional income or you want to completely replace the one you have, then the age of the internet has massively increased the opportunities open to people like you and I. And if you wish, you can do it all while you continue in your current work. There's a link next to or below this video. If you click on it, leave your contact details, and then I'll send the information you need. You'll get an insight into some practical online business models, highlighting real opportunities and earning potentials and presenting actual solutions that can help you to take action immediately. And it doesn't involve breaking the bank or spending months chasing your tail trying to figure out answers for the want of the right support and guidance. You know, when you are self-reliant and have the financial security you need, then you are in control. And if you never have to worry that way again, what does it matter how hard you work to get it in the first place? The training will show you the what and the how, and the rest is down to you. You're the only one who can choose to make that future happen. And if any of that makes sense, then click the link now and let me know where to send them. Watch the videos, watch the webinar, and make a decision that works for you. And I promise, this first step will be the one you always remember. And if you remember one thing, remember that in life, it is okay to enjoy the journey.